Hey, it's Ryan. You're watching Jeff the Rainforest TV. It's rehearsal day. Sponsored by Pepsi. Hey, Lynn.
Drugs.
Jeff the Rainforest rehearsal, getting started slow.
Woo!
Dude, shout out to Northwinds. They gave me a free shirt.
Cool. What the hell? Dude.
You always have to drink quality beer before rehearsal. So we're going to the Wellsboro House. We're here in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. What percentage is that thing?
The breakfast stout is 8.3%. Dude, I'm drunk enough that I could probably get into the new Danny Brown track, be in more of your videos.
What is it, just the coffee grounds in the garbage can taste you don't like?
Yeah, basically. That's about it.
It really does taste like coffee grounds in the trash.
Yeah. In a good way.
In a good way. That's the new brewery in the old train station. It's 11. Wait, it's not 11.
No, not even a little. We gotta get 2 or 3 more of those giant glass jugs.
Sickening, ridiculous, insipid, and artless. The sickening, recycle sounded, timid, and heartless.
Real nice. Yeah. Where is it?
So we were gonna start practicing around like 5-ish as soon as we got off work, but then we had beer.
We always do.
The American dream is dead. Dead. American.
It's hard.
They seriously don't even use a camera rig anymore.
Still have a playlist on here from Chad and Janelle's wedding.
What's next?
Damn it, Google. 3 tracks! That's a piece of shit.
Yeah, I like it. They're gonna puke if they hear that version.
Open file location. Look at all these Seratos.
That's just tracks, interludes, layouts, cues. It's 1 a.m. and we haven't rehearsed yet, though.
But we got this.
Do you feel blame? Are you mad? Do you feel like
That's Manson.
Bob's rough managed? Get friends.
Not bad. We've done later.